You get a little gasp. Corn, yeah. Is that good too? Please, you can eat that. Yum yum. Yum yum yum. Want some rice? This one's empty. Here's your rice.
Where's your chicken? How much is on the floor, Daddy?
How much is on the floor? Well, quite a bit. But that's okay, because lots went in his mouth too. Do you like your rice? Is it good? Is it so good? Is it? Oh, there's more stuff on the floor. Have some rice.
Where's your chicken?
Nom 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 nom.
Where's your chicken? Good boy.
Chicken?
Say bye. Say bye to Daddy. Blow Daddy a kiss.
Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.